Here we have some word problems, and for all of them you're going to need to use division to get the right answer. And you also kind of have to use common sense a little bit too, otherwise you get some funny looking answers if you just use division without thinking about it. Let's look at the first one. It says there are 21 children who need a ride to the pizza parlor. Each car can transport 5 children. How many cars are needed to transport 21 children? What you want to do here is take the 21 kids and divide them up into groups of 5, because each car can hold 5 kids. And when you see how many groups you have, you know that's how many cars you need. If this was in real life, you might ask the kids to count off by 5s or just go stand in groups of 5. But since this is math, we're going to do it as a math problem, and we're going to use division. So we have 21 kids. We need to divide them into groups of 5, so we'll divide by 5. I'm going to practice my long division here. Let's see. We've got 21, so a 4 I think is going to go up here. 4 times 5 is 20. We subtract, we get 1. We need a decimal point up here. Bring down the 0. Okay, now we've got 10, so 2 5s. 2 times 5 is 10, and that'll do. So it looks like we need 4.2 cars. But if you were to say we need 4.2 cars, that would be a silly answer. You can't have 0.2 of a car. Or if you did, I don't think it would actually be able to run very well. So what you really need is 5 cars. You might have 4 cars that have 5 kids in them, and then the last couple of kids in the 5th car. But you're definitely going to need 5 cars. So you can see we needed to use division and common sense to get the answer there. Let's try one more. It says, seats in the stadium cost $2. Barbara has $19. How many seats can she buy? Again, you can think about this as taking the total amount of money she has and dividing it up into $2 chunks, because each one of those $2 chunks is going to buy her a seat. So we'll take 19 and we'll divide it by 2. Let's see here. I think I want a 9 up here. 2 times 9 is 18. It leaves a 1. We'll put a decimal point there. We'll bring down the 0. 2, we need a 5 up here. 5 times 2 is 10, and we're done there. So she can buy 9.5 seats, right? I hope you said wrong. You can't buy half a seat. So in this case, she only has enough money to buy 9 seats. And if she bought 9 seats at $2, she'd have spent $18. She'd have $1 left over. Maybe she can buy some popcorn or something. So the answer here is going to be 9 seats. So those are some word problems that use division.